Improve your game with these tips and tricks. The game of golf is not like learning to ride a bicycle where once you know it, you've got it and never forget it. Just when you think you are on top of your game, you are not. One day you are playing fabulously and the next day you fail miserably. Well, help is here, so read on for some great tips and advice on how to take some of the frustration out of this great game of golf. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to be sure that you have good flexibility. This is important both to ensure that you do not injure yourself on the course, but also to make sure that your shot is as fluid and powerful as possible. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to make sure that you follow through with each shot that requires a full hit. This is helpful because you want to make the most out of your swing, and stopping short may cause you to not hit the ball as far as intended. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is that if you are trying to keep your shots from arching too high, you want to make sure that your follow-through swing ends up with your hands close to your body. This will give you more distance and a more predictable shot. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to make sure that you always take the wind speed and direction into consideration. This is important because the wind can cause your ball to carry quite a bit in either a positive or negative way. Use the wind to your advantage when able to. To inspect your foot placement when preparing for a golf swing, let your club fall naturally to touch your toes. The alignment of the club when it drops will show you where the ball is going to go if your swing has good form. Keep both feet in line with the ball, to make your feet work towards accurate hitting. Choosing to walk the golf course instead of riding a cart is a popular choice with golfers who want to maximize the exercise benefits of the sport. Walking has benefits for the performance maven, too. Walking from hole to hole keeps a golfer limber and stretched, and the exercise pays off by increasing overall stamina and endurance. Becoming overeager can kill your golf swing. Patience and a smooth motion are more important to a good swing than raw, ferocious power. Instead of lunging at the ball, make sure that your chest never drifts down ahead of your arms and hands. By leading with your arms, you ensure that your legs stay underneath you. Create a strong base for your body, and your drive distance should increase. Hopefully, you have learned a few new tricks to kick your golf game up a notch or two. Write these tips down and tuck them in with your clubs to take with you the next time you go out for a round, and you will find yourself getting better with each swing and loving the game of golf even more. This one secret, dead simple move, is so powerful and easy to learn, you'll start hitting powerful, accurate, flush golf shots in minutes. Visit secretgolfhack.com to learn all of this and more. Ben Hogan's real golf swing secret, that he took to his grave, is finally discovered. And it's unlike anything you've ever seen before. Visit secretgolfhack.com to discover the secret and more. Link in the description.